Hello everyone, my name is Dewi Atika. Everyone used to call me Tika. Today, I would like to tell you my special experience about thinking before talking. But firstly, I will tell you my previous story that makes me feel more mature. It comes when I was in Bali. I do my examination in Bali. My examination was about finding foreigner and having conversation with them. We worked in a group. My group contained of Bang Hanif, Bima, and I, just three of us. On the second day of that examination, we met the Indian foreigner. The Indian told us about Indian culture. After a long time she talked, she asked me, "Do you like India?" I said no immediately. The Indian got mad. She showed the angry face. She said, "It means I waste my time just for people who don't even like my country." I realized I made a mistake. Yeah, you did, Bang Hanif said. From that story, we can see the importance of thinking. If we talking before thinking, we can make someone hurt, disappointed, sad. How if someone treats us like that? It will be very hard for us, isn't it? So, if you want someone treat you better, just be kind as someone treat you. Okay, just that what I can see. See you next time and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.